First question here, you are given two sides of a right angle triangle and you're asked to find the length of the third side. So this is a Pythagoras question. And remember, Pythagoras' theorem says that if you square and add two of the short sides, in other words, if I do 5.1 squared plus 3.2 squared, that will equal the hypotenuse squared, and the hypotenuse in this case is x. So if we work out 5.1 squared plus 3.2 squared on your calculator, that gives you 36.25, and that's x squared. If you then want to work out x, you need to find the square root of 36.25, and that comes out as 6.0207, etc. Three significant figures though, x is equal to 6.02. Second part of the question here, it's not Pythagoras anymore. You're given one angle and you're given one side in a right angle triangle. We're asked to find the length of AB. So let's call that one x. Now this must be trigonometry. If it's not Pythagoras, it must be trigonometry. Let's label the sides first of all. The hypotenuse is always the longest side and it's always opposite to the right angle. The 32 degrees, the side opposite that is the x. And this one is the adjacent. Okay, so let's have a look at the two sides that we're interested in. Well, the one that we're definitely not interested in is the hypotenuse. We don't know it, and we don't want to know it either. So I'm going to use my normal SOHCAHTOA trigonometry, so SOHCAHTOA, choosing the correct one that uses the opposite and the adjacent, in other words, tan. Now write the equation. Remember, it's always the same. The tangent of the acute angle, which is in this case 32 degrees, will equal the opposite divided by the adjacent. So in this case, tan 32 is equal to the opposite, x, divided by the adjacent, 6.5. Now to get x alone, we need to multiply by that 6.5. So x is going to be 6.5 times tan 32. Plug that into your calculator, we get x is equal to 4.06165, blah, blah, blah. In other words, to three significant figures, the length of AB is going to be 4.06 centimeters.